Hey guys, I'm just streaming right now, and while I was ripping out Orlando, my shift knob fell apart on my Thrustmaster. As you can see here, the top metal part came loose. It looks like there's a little bolt that came loose, and it looks like it's like partially glued together. Yeah, this popped off, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix this and get that bolt. Maybe I'll use what's it called? Thread locker on it to prevent it from coming loose again. So I got some precision screws from like Daiso, and there's a couple of Phillips screws in here. I want to see if I can separate this so I can get to this little bolt in the center. Okay, so those screws in there only hold this part. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use my vise to undo this. That sucks. I'll be right back. Don't mind my workbench, it's atrocious, but I don't want to ruin the polished metal, so I wrapped it with electrical tape. It's spinning. I don't get why this is so tight. There we go. Oh shit, I can see the bolt coming out now. That's gonna fall on the floor. 1 second. So I got blue thread locker. I'm gonna throw it on there and then send it. We just do this. It's actually really annoying. Well, there you go. That's how you fix your Thrustmaster shift knob. Okay, clean that up, except I scratched the polish slightly with the razor blade. RIP. Also, while I'm at it, does anybody know the actual thread pitch for this thing? It kind of fits in the 10 1.5, but it doesn't thread all the way, so I'm questioning it. So basically, to summarize what happened, the bolt that holds the metal top backed out. I had to separate the rod from the shift knob and then just assemble everything back together because the screw is inside of the shift knob. So I'll thread this back in and get back to Orlando.